Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna look at the Ferrari F12 TDF made by Bburago at the 1/24 scale. This is a very good model in my opinion. It looks amazing from outside. Let's take a closer look and see the details. The headlights are very good, are very nicely done. Also we have the splitter that doesn't have the carbon fiber pattern. We have the Ferrari logo on this grille that is not perforated. Also the Ferrari logo on the bumper. Next, on the side we have the wheels that are turning. We have the Ferrari logo in the center. Also the wheels look very good. Also, and the brake disc. The caliper, I don't like that it doesn't have the Ferrari logo. We have the shield on the fender here. Also these grills are not perforated. Next we go in the back. We have the stop lights that look very good. Also we have the Ferrari logo here and here. Again, the stop light looks very good. Also we have the exhausts on each side and the diffuser. Underneath the car, I think the diffuser is the only important bit, and it's quite okay. Doesn't stand out very much. Also in the back we have the reversing light, what is here. This model only features opening doors, so let's take a look inside. So inside we have a few details, but I think I've seen Bburago models with a lot more details than this. So they tried to replicate carbon fiber inside, but I don't think they managed quite well. Let's take a look inside on this side. So a few details here and there. So please tell me in the comments if you like the model and if you'd get one. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video.